Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how to use split screen on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like browser and click on this square button. Now you need to click on the top right corner of your app on this little icon and select the other one, like messages. Then hold your app and drag it to the top or to the bottom. If you see this gray area, let go. And as you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!